How to install LiveChat on SparkPay. Start chatting with your online visitors by installing LiveChat on your SparkPay site. Follow this short guide to gain new leads and convert them into sales. Follow these steps to place a live chat function on your SparkPay site. 1. Start by logging into your SparkPay admin panel and selecting themes. 2. Next, scroll down a bit to select the edit button. 3. Proceed to the head tags section. 4. Next, go to the code section and copy the code found there. 5. Paste the code at the end of the head tag section and click on Save to finalize. Congratulations! Your store has a new live chat function available. What's next? All you need to do to start chatting with customers is to pick an application. You can use our web application or one of the dedicated desktop applications. You should also check out our knowledge base to pick up good practices, tips for beginners, a good way to start your live chat experience. Chat window customization, learn how to customize the look of your live chat.